hearing a lot about obviously ChatGPT, Gen AI, but what is next for AI?
Well, I think it's what we're doing. For the last, call it 3 years or so with ChatGPT and Gemini and Claude, we've been really kind of in the digital realm. And so I think what's happening now is AI is coming out of the back office and directly into the physical environments of the world's largest companies. And so it's giving us the ability to measure and analyze and build AI-based automation directly into the physical environment. This is something that's never been available before. So I think we've all been used to how we can build automation in the back office in digital environments, but can you actually build that same kind of automation inside of a physical environment? Can I actually have my environment itself be smart and start to understand what's happening in the environment, and then to interact with people, so to augment and accelerate who they are inside of the environment. So it's a whole new space that's emerging right now, but we're thrilled to be kind of at the forefront of it.
That's very exciting.
Yeah.
Very exciting. How are you thinking about hiring versus upskilling for AI?
Boy, it's a great question. I think we're doing both, right? I think lucky for us, we have some really talented AI people. When we started this company, we built and sold 2 companies prior to this one, and so we had people we worked with before, so we had some very talented AI developers, but even those developers are now being influenced by coding with AI. Like, some of our most talented developers are telling me that they're 10x more effective by coding with AI, because all the grunt work, the grunt work's being done by AI. Now they can focus on the bigger, more impactful things. So that's one thing. So I think we're also looking at, when we bring new people in, I mean, they have to be, if they're coders, they have to be coding with AI. They have to be, or we're not interested. So I've been working a lot with universities on don't ship people out, don't graduate people that aren't learning how to work with AI. It's not just coding, it's every part of the business is now being affected, and so you've got to embrace it. You've got to embrace it. But so I think it's both, right?
Both.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And last question, what are companies underestimating about AI literacy and readiness?
Yeah, this is a big one. I think if you zoom out on what's happening right now, so what just happened with the large language models is we're now entering an era of cognitive hyperabundance. So literally the cost of expertise, the cost of knowledge is going to zero. So when you think about that, it's like how do we operate in an environment where the cost of expertise is nothing? So you think skills like critical thinking and being the orchestrator are going to become really important. So as a developer, it's less about how do I code this problem, but what problem am I solving? And how do I direct the AI to take it to a place I couldn't have taken it by myself? And so I think that's the big thing, is that we're entering a whole new era, and AI is going to be a very disruptive force. It's important for people to jump in now. Don't wait for this. And stop thinking of AI as a tool. Think of it more like a partner.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be partnering with AI to do things. I will have AIs that do things for me. So I'm going to have a team of AIs. One might be coding for me. Another one might be doing my